What you will see now is AI generated, and this can be created with no effort by you too. This is the website pika.art where all the magic happens. I'll leave the link in the description. I'm nowhere associated with them, just bringing as I thought this is fun. You'll have to sign up either through Google, Discord, or your email ID. And once you have signed up and you log in, you will come to this page where you will find all the Pika effect, anything which is shown as new or the new effect, and how these effects look. You will get a feel of it when you go to a particular Pika effect. So all you need is your image, which will be uploaded to the one where you want the effect to take place. Whichever effect you like, go and select that effect. For example, I have selected this, and here is where I will upload my image. So once the image is uploaded, it will take time to generate. You have to have patience. In case you're going for a free plan, then there could be wait time like I had to go through, and you get some credit in a month which you can use, and all those details I will share in the link. You can go and check. Once you upload your image, it starts to generate the effect. It takes time, and you will be able to see the timeline. Once you download that, this is done. This is how the effect is.